Sea Sunshine Adventures. We've had a little walk today. It's taken us from downtown Waikiki 2.78 kilometres to walk to the very famous Leonard's Malasadas. You can't actually get them in Waikiki proper, so you've got to come over the canal. There's lots of really cool stuff on the other side of the canal which we might explore a bit further. But we're going to go in and buy some malasadas and try them out in the park a bit later. So we'll talk to you soon.
Okay, so you guys are done with this?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's get rid of it.
Okay, so the deal is you queue up here and order. You queue up here and order, and then you wait over here. They cook them freshly. It's really popular. We picked a bad day to come here. It's a Saturday, and it's the Honolulu Marathon weekend. We should have come weekday, but anyhow, we're here. A coconut and a lemon, please.
Anything else? That's it. Thank you. Just stand here and be.
I'll pay there. Okay, great. Thank you. We got our malasadas. It wasn't too much of a wait. It looked like it was going to be, but it wasn't. We don't really feel like eating them now, so we'll have them a bit later. Hey, we're back here at our hotel, so it's a little bit later and I'm running tomorrow, so it's a good excuse to carve up. So we're going to try these malasadas. So it comes in a cute little pink box, and here they are in all their delicious glory. So I think I got one of pretty much every flavour. I'm not going to be able to eat all of them, so Chris, you're going to have to help me out here. But anyhow, I think this first one, I'll just they're really soft and spongy, and I'm going to break it open. Ooh, this is like custard, it's going everywhere. Yum. Oh, oh. Okay, hang on, I have a serviette here. Cheers. Okay, delicious. They probably would have been better hot, but we just walked that 2.5 kilometres and it was really hot, so we didn't feel like eating them right there and then. But they're still nice now and still really fresh. Custard's kind of going everywhere. That was the vanilla custard, which has traditionally always been my favourite, but I've got all sorts of other ones, so I'll just break for a bit and I might cut them open and show you what they look like. Alright, I've been dissecting malasadas. This one is the guava one. Check how bright pink it is. Anyhow, cheers, we'll give this one a go. Oh, that's good. The texture of the donut is a bit chewier than donuts that we would get at home, and the custard's really, really light. But I really like that guava one because it's very fruity. I was thinking the pink's a bit of a sickly sweet. It looks a bit sickly, but it wasn't sickly at all. All right, this is like a hardcore chocolate one. I like chocolate, but generally milk chocolate. This looks like dark chocolate, but here we go. We'll give it a go. It's dark chocolate. Chris will really like that one. If you're a chocolate fan, this is the right one for you, even though it looks like Vegemite in it. All right, I'm looking forward to this one. This is like coconut custard, and it's like luscious and white on the inside. So here, let's go and have a go. This is the new number one. I love that one. And then this, every month they have a flavour of the month. I was thinking it might have been seasonal. Other times we've had gingerbread or something like that, but this time it's lemon. I love lemon, and I'm hoping it's going to be like lemon curd. It does look very yellow, but then the guava was very pink. So anyhow, we'll see how we go. Yeah, that's disappointing. It's not like lemon curd as we know it. It's a bit like I don't know, a fake lemony flavour. The donut itself's really good. It's not terrible. Probably my least favourite. So, the coconuts, I'm going to finish this one. Chris can finish the rest. Anyhow, bye for now. Malasadas are essentially Portuguese donuts. They originated in Hawaii in 1878 when Portuguese labourers came across from Madeira and Azores to work in the sugar plantations. They are a deep-fried dough ball, essentially, and originally they didn't have fillings in them, but the Hawaiians have become very inventive with a whole array of delicious, luscious fillings, as we have taste tested. Anyhow, when you're in Hawaii, you must take part or partake in a beautiful Malasadas, and Leonard's is the most famous bakery. Mahalo!